guys, it's Cute Cupcake Girl here, and I'm so excited because this was the last one at Target, and I'm here with my sister Jocelyn, and I will not get a duplicate because I don't have one. It's an LOL pay. I'm just so excited. Okay, let's balance the phone here, Jocelyn, and we'll open this up. Oh, I'm just so excited. Oh, that opened perfectly. Can I set it here and then I'll throw the trash in? Okay, first layer. Oh, where's my secret message? Oh, good. I thought they forgot it. It's fairy tale. Fairy tale.
Ooh. The fairy sounds.
Okay. Another zipper, or another collar, I should say. Another collar to open. Because this is not opening very well. I'll try the bottom. Oh, there we go. It's a pink ball. It's a light pink ball, Jocelyn.
Pink is cute.
Yeah.
That's a really cute.
Oh.
It better be a good one.
Yeah, it better be.
Duh.
They'll either color change, spit, tinkle, or cry, bathe to reveal a surprise. It's funny if they pee.
They pee?
Yeah, they can pee.
That's funny.
Oh, it also comes with a pooper scooper.
A pooper scooper.
Yeah, even for the bunnies.
Hurry up, I can't wait.
Me either. I mean, it's hard. Oh, wait, I put my surprise over here. I'm trying to hurry up to get to the baby.
Oh my god, I'm nervous.
Me too. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. This is, oh, their litter box. Let's open the litter box first. Right?
Right.
It has a surprise in it. Okay. Here's a little zipper on the back. It's a litter box. Let's see what
so
color
cute.
the sand is for the litter box.
That's so cool.
I'm trying to hurry up.
I have scissors as well.
Okay,
Just in
fine.
case.
Oh, I almost cut my...
I know, I saw.
Okay, trash goes over here. Glitter box time. It's blue! Look. We need the pooper scooper, but we can... It's so soft. We got tiny little shoes. Where do I put the stand after, though? Can I just sit it right here, I guess? It's so soft. Feel it.
Do you throw this part away?
No. It's their litter box. Look, it's little shoes. Aww. Hey, there's sand in them. Okay, here's what they look like, except I have to get the other 3 out because it's a pet. Duh, they have 4 feet. Duh. Here, where's the sand?
I put it there.
Can you give it to me? Give it to me, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Let's get the other two shoes out. They're so adorable, aren't they, guys? Okay. Put the sand right there, and I see the other shoe. I thought there might be shoes in here. I just knew it. Let's put all the sand back in here, and then close our litter box up. Ew, look, this little poop.
That's so funny.
Okay, let's close it back up to keep it safe and sound. Oh, wow. I'll just sit it right here. Surprises go right here. Sorry.
It's okay.
There's sand here. We'll put the shoes where the surprises go. I can't wait! Here's the puppy, so we'll set it right here for a big time. Let's check out the checklist. Maybe I can make a family, but I doubt it.
Cute. It's a pet?
Yeah, it's a pet. It's a pet! It's cute, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, what's this? Ugh. Oh, it's a cat. It's a cat. Look,
Yay!
it's a cat. Like princess. It's okay if I get a cat or dog.
I really want a cat.
Yeah,
That's
you wanted
so
a cat?
cute. Yeah.
Okay, good, because we got a cat.
Yay.
Okay, this must be it's a little headpiece. Do we have Oh, I know who we got. I know who we got. We did not make a family because I don't have the big sister or the little sister. I'm not telling you who it is though, okay? It's a surprise. For the final review. Close your eyes, Jocelyn.
Okay.
It's a surprise because she's so cute. It's Pops Kitty. Did you hear what I said who it is?
No.
Okay, good. Don't look like.
Okay.
I'm gonna get her just.
Does she look cute?
Yeah, she's adorable. She has a little heart on
Can I
her
look
cheek.
now?
Wait. Yeah, you can look.
How cute!
She's adorable. It's Hops Kitty. Isn't she cute? She came out like this. Let me show
She's
you.
so cute.
That's what she came out like.
So cute.
Yeah.
She's
Okay.
so cute.
Can you get the stand out of these shoes while I get her
I can
fully?
try.
Okay. She's adorable, isn't she? We can get her bunny ears on.
How do I get the sand out?
No idea, girl. I was so excited. Besides, I wouldn't get a duplicate because I don't have one. And I was so worried when I saw it because I ran down the hall to get it because I was worried there was somebody in the hall.
Really?
Yeah. Look at her. She's so cute.
Try to fit a paw in there.
Okay. Okay, it works like that. Isn't she adorable?
Yes.
I don't have the little sister of her, but I was hoping to get Neon Kitty. Because then I can make a family or Rough Rocker. But she's adorable too. I just love her. She's super cute. I can't get her shoe on. She can hold her bottle right on her head, I think. Nope. Look at her little bed. Oh, I know why it was light pink, because look. Yeah. It messes her hair.
So cute.
She's super cute, isn't she? She has a bed with a mouse toy. Let's get her ball good for her.
When are we going?
To the dinner?
Uh-huh.
I don't know. Oh, look. It's cute. Just a little surprise.
Did you fit her little paw yet? Does it? Ugh.
I'll try.
It's so hard to get it out.
It is. I hate how the sand gets in there, right?
Yeah.
Because then it's hard to get it out.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You can just try. If
Okay,
not-
this straight. Okay, I got one little paw in. This one's the left. I'll try the back left. And it's the front left. Okay. Okay. One more little cute paw or a cute little shoe to go. It's super cool that I found this, right, Jocelyn?
Yeah.
Good thing. Mommy said she would get me one November 1st no matter what, but they didn't have them out in stores. And these dumb people made them more expensive on eBay.
Really? On eBay?
Mm-hmm.
That's
But good thing we got one in stores and it was the last one.
dumb. Okay, let's take another. Cute.
Hops Kitty, she's so cute.
She's so cute.
Let's see what she does. Do you have any water? I'll open up her litter box so that she'll go, if she goes pee pee, she'll go pee pee in her litter
Here's
box.
some water.
Okay.
Maybe do it on my bed.
Okay. Oh no. Okay, there we go. She's so adorable. Oh, what if she pees?
That'd be funny.
Can't wait to see what she does. Oh, there's a lot of water in here. She might go pee. I like the tinkling ones for some reason. I don't know why I
That's
like the
funny.
pink ones. She got a lot of water.
I hope she pees.
Yeah, me too. Oh man, she didn't get enough wire. Oh. So done. Nope. It's just. Do you think you can do
Make
it?
her pee?
Or no, I mean make it. I don't know if she pees or not. Oh man, let's take our shoes off right now
Let me
because
feed
it's
her.
hard. Okay. I think you do it better anyway. She's cute, isn't she? Oh wow. It's like a little baby kitten. Oh man, still not enough. Let's just dunk her in the water to see if she color changes then. Oh wait, it has to be cold water, so she might color change.
That's kind of cold water.
Let's just put her whole face in. Okay, let's see what she does. She pees! She pees!
How funny.
Let me
I'm gonna be right back.
Ew, she peed on my hand! Oh, she's so funny. Drinking up this water, gotta go potty. Drinking up this water, oh! Drinking up this water, gotta go potty. My first peeing pet. Okay, so she does not color change. Only the spitting ones color change. If they do color change. Ew. 1 second. Now with her pooper scooper, we're going to make a cat face. Or little cat eyes, which you cannot see. It's really fun to dig in this. Da 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 da. It really is fun to dig in this. Let me get her dressed so that I can show her to my mommy. Where'd my sister go? She peed on my sister.
Oh!
Now she peed on her hand. I wanted to go pee-pee. Okay. Let's get all the water in you. More water in you. Let's see her pee, guys.
Oh!
Did you see? Look.
She's peeing all over me.
Pee-pee.
Get off. Whoa. Come here. Stop it. I don't like her peeing on me. Oh. Wow.
See her pee on me.
Here, you can dump all your trash in here.
Bad kitty, go pee-pee in your litter box. No going pee-pee on me. Jocelyn, where'd you go?
Down here.
Come get your, or can you pee on my face. Okay, she won't. Meow, 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 meow. Meow. I just want to say that I love to pee because I was born that way. And because I love to hide, like to be bad sometimes. But I mostly love to hop around, da 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 da. Da 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 da, pee pee! Here she is, Hop's kitty. She will pee pee. So funny. Bye guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.